Good day everyone, my name is Robbie, I'm from City Pen and Tool. I've been doing demos the whole morning today, so I want to introduce you to this amazing product that I learned today. It's a Glissen Bodyshop detailer. It's perfect if you want to, in between washes, or if you want to just get fingerprints or contaminants from your paint work. And then you can use it to remove overspray, tar, and any contaminants that is on the paint. This product is body shop safe because it doesn't have silicone, so it's safe and effective way of cleaning any paint surface that you need to clean. If you are using it in conjunction with a Glissen clay Mitt, you can just wipe even on tar on the vehicle. You spray once and you just wash, you will literally feel the overspray coming out of your, I can actually feel the overspray coming off this glass right now. And then you can use it also with the fiber cloth. And then, yeah, this is amazing, guys. What is nice again is that this Glissen clay Mitt, you can just wash it and reuse it again and again. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay. It feels clean. I can feel all the overspray is gone. So we've been doing this over and over since this morning. So I just thought it's very impressive, and this will be very handy for DIY and for any body shop.